There is an increase in the therapeutic use of oligonucleotide-based medicine. Many medical advances yet to be achieved if only there is enough oligonucleotide production. Bachem and Asahi Kasei Bioprocess came together for tailored equipment engineering. A journey begins. Partners in innovative ways to manufacture oligonucleotides from day one, starting on a strong foundation of communication and trust. Customized equipment built from the ground up, from site installation, extensive testing, and successful production, to increase safety and drive efficiency for the delivery of trusted active pharmaceutical ingredients all around the world. Understanding signed. Collaboration sealed. Quality delivered. From synthesis to purification, from one side of the globe to the other, accelerating the possibilities of oligonucleotide manufacturing and transforming patients' lives.